Want to seriously boost your mini bike's stopping power? This JMCHstore front disc brake kit might be exactly what you need. It's designed as a bolt-on upgrade for a bunch of popular models like the Coleman BT200X, CT200UX, Axis M200, and others with that 196cc Viper or Hissun 200cc engine. Now, before you get too excited, double-check the compatibility. This kit won't work with the stock front fork on a standard Coleman CT200U. Also, it's a no-go for the Coleman B200R, B200C, and similar models. But if you have a compatible Massimo MB200, Trailmaster MB200, or Baja MB200, you're in luck. The kit seems pretty comprehensive. You get a complete front wheel assembly with the brake disc and bearings already installed, which is a nice touch. The hydraulic brake system should offer a significant improvement over the stock brakes, especially if you're hitting the trails. Plus, they even throw in an extra set of brake pads, which is always appreciated. Installation looks relatively straightforward, with a custom bracket, a new axle, chain tensioners, and spacers. No welding needed, which is a huge plus for most people. Just remember to press the brake pad into the brake cylinder before mounting the caliper. That's a key step to avoid headaches. One thing to keep in mind is the brake line length. It's 90 cm, about 35.4 inches. So measure the distance between your wheel axle and handlebar before you order to make sure it'll reach. Also, pay attention to the tire's rolling direction when you mount it on the hub. And a word of caution, don't squeeze the brake handle until everything is fully installed, or you might accidentally pop the brake pads out. Overall, this JMCHstore front disc brake kit appears to be a well-thought-out upgrade for compatible mini bikes. If you're looking for more reliable stopping power and don't want to mess with welding, it's definitely worth considering. Just make sure you double-check the compatibility and follow the installation instructions carefully.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.